guys, welcome back. I'm over here in another spot. Joseph told me about this spot. This is a pretty nice spot. I think it's really deep. I'm gonna have the crappie set up and see if we can catch something here. Let's see if we can catch something from here. It's kind of steep. Oh crap. It looks pretty nice. So I see bass, tilapia. There's some big catfish right there, guys. I think I'm gonna bring the fly rod too and try it out, because it looks pretty damn good. So I'm gonna bring the fly rod too, with a popper. I'm on the overpass and it opens to this lake right here, like to this pool. Big pool. I can see a lot of fish down there. There's a little creek that comes and runs the water and opens up in here. But I'm gonna start with the fly rod and see if we can catch something. I got a little popper. I like to use these poppers a lot, so this is my third or fourth one that I go through. They're going after it. All of them. They're going after that little popper. Oh, got something. Bluegill probably. Bluegill got it. Beautiful bluegill. That's a beautiful bluegill right there. See? That bluegill went for it like a savage. Oh crap, take it easy. That bluegill. Ooh. There it is right there. Beautiful bluegill. So we can catch there was a big bass after this bluegill, but I think it was gonna take the popper. So we're gonna see if we can catch the bass. We're like nothing. There's more. Oh, got the bass. Got a little bass right here. He went for it. That's the second one. Oh, lost it. Oh, got it. Nice bluegill. Another nice bluegill. Beautiful colors though. Another beautiful bluegill. Beautiful. Let's see if we can catch something else other than the bluegills, because the bluegills are hitting it really good. Big bluegill. Oh, got it. What is it? Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice. Oh, that's my first one. Real Texas chiclet, something like that. It sounds like chicle, like gum in Spanish. But that's a beautiful one. That's a beautiful fish right there. That is a beautiful fish right there, guys. Sounds like a chicle. It's a chiclet, something like that. Texas real chiclet, something like that. That's a nice one. Beautiful. Oh, take it easy, buddy. Man, I didn't know they have teats in there. What? Just like a sheephead. Beautiful fish right there, guys.